Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Monday, January 29, 2024 on our channel. Toshiba Carrier U-Series Heat Recovery Unit. Arneg launches its new brand promotion campaign. Heat Pump Association proposes a domestic heat pump tariff discount. MSA Safety celebrates grand opening of new Morocco manufacturing facility. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Toshiba Carrier U-Series Heat Recovery Unit. Carrier's latest addition to the Toshiba Carrier U-Series portfolio, a heat recovery unit, debuted at the AHR Expo hosted in Chicago. The U-Series lineup is a globally recognized, next-generation, three-phase, full line of VRF equipment for commercial and large residential needs. The most recent launch is one of several planned for the lineup. Designed to perform, the U-Series manages the heating, cooling and fresh air input into offices, K-12 schools, hotels, restaurants, and large single and multi-family housing, with connection flexibility. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Arneg launches its new brand promotion campaign. Arneg launches its new brand promotion campaign. The latest campaign is based on a simple message that sums up Arneg's identity in just a few carefully chosen words: artisan soul, innovative personality. The concept focuses on the idea of artisan craftsmanship, understood as the accumulation of experience, deep roots in the local area, cultural heritage, mindset, modus operandi, inspiration and vocation. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Heat Pump Association proposes a domestic heat pump tariff discount. The Heat Pump Association, HPA, has published its latest research on options for overcoming the distortive impact of environmental and social obligations on the domestic heating market. This report and extensive background analysis sets out the implications of a range of options to tackle one of the key challenges in the acceleration of heat pumps for domestic heating: running costs. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. MSA Safety celebrates grand opening of new Morocco manufacturing facility. MSA Safety Incorporated marked the grand opening of a new manufacturing operations center in Kailalat, Morocco. Celebrated with an official ribbon-cutting event, the company's newly constructed and larger facility will be home to the production of a variety of general personal protective equipment, PPE, product lines. The new facility will also position MSA to better meet the growing demand for MSA safety products in the Europe, Middle East and Africa, EMEA, region. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.